Garage Doors Monument, Colorado works in the Monument and surrounding areas, providing every service needed in your garage door. We have the best team of technicians in town that is devoted in providing customers first-class garage door services whenever and wherever you are. Our technicians are experts in dealing with any kinds of garage door problems at very reasonable price. We guarantee great customer service and no hassle on getting your garage door repaired. With our great prices and discounts, we are one of the preferred garage door companies in the area. Call us now at 719-289-3041.